Just stay away from me.
Lubayan mo lang ako.
That's a big mistake.
Isa yung malaking pagkakamali.
That's what I thought.
Yan ang inaakala ko.
I don't want to see it again.
Ayaw ko nang makita yan ulit.
So gross. Take it away.
Ang sagwa. Ilayo mo yan.
Don't do it again.
Huwag mo nang gagawin yun ulit.
I can't promise you that.
Hindi ko maipapangako yan sa'yo.
It's not a good idea for me.
Hindi yan magandang ideya para sa akin.
It's boring. I don't want to attend.
Nakakayamot. Ayaw kong dumalo.
My apologies, but I can't do it.
Paumanhin pero hindi ko kayang gawin yun.
My head says yes but my body says no.
Gusto ng utak ko pero ayaw ng katawan ko.
Maybe another time.
Siguro sa ibang oras na lang.
I don't need help.
Hindi ko kailangan ng tulong.
No but thanks for asking.
Hindi pero salamat sa pagtanong.
Don't disturb me, please.
Pakiusap, huwag mo akong istorbohin.
I can't do this anymore.
Hindi ko na kayang gawin to.
I have no time for that.
Wala akong oras para dyan.
This is not the right time for that.
Hindi ito ang tamang oras para dyan.
That's not good for me.
Hindi yan mabuti para sa akin.
Sounds fun, but I'm not available.
Masaya sana kaso hindi ako pwede.
I don't like it. Change it.
Hindi ko yan gusto, palitan mo.
I just don't have time for that.
Wala lang akong oras para dyan.
Thank you but I don't like it.
Salamat pero hindi ko yun gusto.
Unfortunately, that's not a good time.
Sa kasamaang palad, hindi yun ang tamang oras.
I'd like to but I have other option.
Gusto ko sana kaya lang may iba akong pinagpipilian.
I'd love to but I can't.
Gusto ko sana kaya lang hindi pwede.
I wish I could do it.
Sana magawa ko ito.
No thanks, I won't be able to make it.
Salamat na lang, hindi ko kayang gawin yun.
I'm sorry, I'm busy.
Patawad, may ginagawa ako.